Some people turn $100 into thousands with meme coins. Others lose everything overnight. So what's really going on here? Today, I'll explain how people are actually making money with meme coins, and why most people don't. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. Meme coins are everywhere right now: TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. But before you buy anything, you need to understand how they work. This video will explain it clearly, no hype, no fear. Let's break it down. Part 1. What is a meme coin? A meme coin is a cryptocurrency inspired by internet jokes or trends. They usually don't solve big problems. Their value comes from attention, hype, and community. That means price moves fast, up and down. Stick around, this next part explains the money part. Part 2, how people actually make money. Most people who profit do one of three things. First, they buy very early. Early buyers get in before the hype. When attention grows, price jumps. Early sellers lock in profits. This requires timing and luck. Second, they ride short-term hype. Some traders buy during viral moments. They sell quickly when price spikes. This is fast and risky. Miss the exit, and profits disappear. Third, they already have a following. Influencers move markets. When they talk, people buy. That pushes prices up, temporarily. Regular beginners are usually late to this party. Part 3, why most people lose money. Here's the hard truth. Most buyers come in after the hype. Prices drop fast when excitement fades. There's often no real value to hold long-term. That's how people get stuck holding losses. Stick around, this risk part matters most. Part 4, the risks beginners must know. Meme coins are extremely volatile. Prices can drop 50% in hours. Some projects disappear completely. There's little protection if things go wrong. This is not beginner investing, it's speculation. Part 5, smart rules if you're curious. Never invest money you need. Treat meme coins like lottery tickets, not retirement plans. Set clear buy and sell rules before you invest. If you profit, take some money off the table. Discipline matters more than excitement. Bonus part, why this still attracts people. Meme coins are fun. They feel accessible. And stories of fast wins spread fast. But remember, survivorship bias is real. You hear about winners, not the thousands who lost. Meme coins can make money, but they can also erase it fast. Understanding the game protects you from bad decisions. Would you ever invest in meme coins, or stay away? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video. Pump.fun explained in 7 minutes. Beginner warning, police light emoji.